30 days ago, my life was completely different. I had no direction, no progress, and no real plan for my future. Every day felt the same. Wake up, use my phone, waste time, sleep. I knew I wanted to change my life, but I didn't know how. Then one day I discovered ChatGPT. At first, I didn't think it was something special, just an AI chatbot. But everything changed when I asked one simple question: can you help me improve my life? And it answered. It gave me a plan, simple steps, clear actions, things I could do every single day. So I decided to try something crazy. I used ChatGPT every day for 30 days. Day 1 was simple. I asked ChatGPT what I should learn. It told me to start with small skills: communication, thinking, focus. Day 3, I started learning faster. Instead of wasting time, I was improving. Every day, I asked questions. Every day, I learned something new. Day 7, something changed. I felt more confident, more focused, more in control. For the first time, I felt like I was moving forward. Day 14, I started seeing real results. My mindset changed. My habits changed. My thinking changed. I stopped wasting time. I started building my future. Day 21, I realized something powerful. ChatGPT wasn't just a tool. It was like having a personal mentor, available 24 hours a day, helping me grow, helping me think bigger, helping me become better. Day 30, my life was different. Not perfect, but better. Much better. I had direction. I had confidence. I had momentum. And the most important thing, I believed in myself again. ChatGPT didn't magically change my life, but it helped me change myself. And that changed everything. If you use it the right way, it can change your life too.